Bonjour,
Good morning, Saj.
Good morning, Ruth.
How are you?
Great.
Good morning, Serge.
Good morning.
Excellent to have you on the platform.
Yeah.
Science and Technology Tuesday. What can we expect today?
Lot of things. Beaucoup de choses.
All right, take it away.
Bonjour à tous et
Hello,
à toutes
good morning,
bienvenue dans cette
and thanks for
chronique
joining us
Sci-tech.
on
Je
the
suis Serge
Sci-tech
Coffey.
segment. My name is Serge Coffey.
Humanoid
Humanoid robots know how to move, express themselves, recognize, as well as even feel. Today, they are in the process of acquiring another ability inspired by its creator, the sense of touch. Last month, scientists from the University of Munich in Germany presented an artificial skin that is made of cables and steel and can feel physical contact. This is a necessary evolution so that robots can finally get out of their cages and interact more closely with humans without compromising their safety. To develop this synthetic skin, researchers began by studying humans. Each of us has no less than 600,000 touch receptors and at least 200,000 others that measure temperature variations. They record what is happening on the surface of the skin, then send the information to the brain in the form of signals. Since our nervous system is unable to analyze all information at a go, it gives priority to new sensations.
Quite interesting, Saj. How did the scientists proceed to make this possible?
To reproduce this mechanism, Professor Gordon Cheng and his team covered from head to toe an autonomous human-sized robot with more than 13,000 sensors, each measuring 2.5 centimeters. They allow H1, which is the name of this android, to detect proximity to an object, its temperature, acceleration, or pressure in the same way as the human nervous system will do. Then software supports the information flow and makes the robot react when cells are activated individually to avoid overloading. Researchers are now working on the design of smaller sensors with low manufacturing costs. According to experts, the next generation of robots will be able to work hand in hand with humans. Hence, the need to provide these machines with the feeling of touch to ensure the safety of the employers who will interact with them. Thanks to this artificial skin, the machine will be able to feel a human presence even if the person is not in its line of vision. In 2015, a 22-year-old German worker died while trying to install a robot on an assembly line in a Volkswagen factory in Germany. The incident occurred while the technician was starting the machine with one of his colleagues. He was hit in the chest by the robot and pushed against a metal plate and later died of his injuries. A similar scenario occurred in France in April the same year. And with these technologies, these tragedies could perhaps have been avoided. That's it, the robots will be able to hug you without risking choking you. And this is thanks to an artificial skin made in large flakes covered with sensors developed in Germany. This means that the humanoid robot H1 with this sensitive skin can now hug a person without stepping on their feet or choking them in their arms. Would you accept that a robot should hug you?
Could you allow to a robot to hug you?
To hug me.
Yeah.
It's a difficult one. Why not? But also it feels as if we're trying to replace humans rather than give them an aid, if you understand. I'm not sure about Ruth.
En fait, pour elle, si le robot ne prendra pas la place de l'humain.
According to Nyasha, robots might be replacing human beings, which is not a good thing, actually. But if they're going to come to assist rather than replace human beings, it's going to be good.
Voilà tout ce que j'avais pour vous aujourd'hui.
And that's all I had for you today. Get more of such mind-blowing science and technology stories on all of our African news outlets.